What is going on, guys? Welcome on in. My name is DanCBearded. You guys are hopefully subscribers. If not, I invite you to hit that button because I have great content coming up, and my subscribers tend to call me the trusted teacher for all things beard related. And in this video today, I'm going to get right to it. I'm going to tell you why a water bottle, a spray bottle of water, can change the beard game for you. Stay tuned. You should be applying beard products twice a day, in the morning and then at night before you go to bed. Now you should also be showering once a day. I know I don't need to tell you guys that, but with that, one of those times, either the morning or the night, you're going to be applying beard products on a dry beard. Myself, I'm a morning shower person most of the time, and then at night I need to apply my beard butter, but I don't want to do that to a dry beard. I have a video recently breaking down why you should apply beard products to a damp beard, and the two main quick benefits for that. One, if it is formulated properly, those ingredients in the beard products are going to seal in the hydration that is on your beard, right? We want to absorb, we want to do all those great things, but if your beard is wet, it is damp, you have pores in your hair, it is porosity of your hair, those products are going to seal that moisture in and give you a little bit extra health and boost. Secondly, it's going to help you spread out the products through your beard. If you've ever tried to apply butter or oil to a dry beard, you know that it can get just stuck in that initial place where you put the products. A little bit of dampness and moisture allows you to move those products through your beard more evenly, which is really important and useful for that beard. Now, I was trying to figure out different ways to accomplish this. I have a little detached handle in my shower and I didn't want to lean over and get my chest or my shirt all wet. And then I also was like, all right, I'll try the sink. And that's just terrible and awkward. I feel like I can never get everything evenly. When I turn my head, it's just blasting right here. I can never get the front or the mustache. And then I was discussing this issue with my moderator group who moderate my live streams. And my buddy Tim Lee was like, why don't you try a spray bottle? And this was a couple months ago. And it was one of those like, aha, this is so easy. How did I not think of this? You're brilliant. So I got a water spray bottle, threw this in my bathroom, have it right next to my sink, and then at night, it is wonderful. You are able to control how much water you are putting and where you're putting it, and you don't get all wet and get a mess. So you just simply take the bottle, spray it on the outside a couple times. The nice thing is you get to direct exactly where you want it to go. I want to get my underbeard as well, so I take it, couple sprays up there. My beard is perfectly damp. It is not really wet, it is not dry, and it's very even. It was an absolute game changer. So every night before I put in beard butter, I'm taking that spray bottle and I'm putting in room temperature water. I don't want it hot, I don't want it cold, just room temperature water, enough to be able to lock the moisture in, but also spread the product out. So if you're looking for something to be able to add that into the mix, this is about as easy as it gets, and it has a huge impact on the health, especially when we talk about the number one issue is getting moisture locked in. Bam, this is gonna do that. So Tim, thank you for your tip. And anybody out there, I hope you guys give this a try. Question to leave you guys with, thoughts on this? Are you a morning shower person, an afternoon, nighttime shower person? Because I know a lot of guys take showers at night after work. Then in the morning, they're like, what do I do? Do I wash everything out? Try a spray bottle. Try getting that spray bottle in your beard in the morning. Then you can go through your morning routine with a damp beard. It's going to style much easier. It's going to be healthier. It's really going to help you guys out. Something as simple as a water bottle spray bottle. This was a $1 one. I got this at the local dollar store, and it's been great for 3-4 months now. So give it a try, guys, and let me know your thoughts on this. Maybe you're already doing it, and I was just late to the party, but I wanted to make sure I got this out to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name again is DanCBearded. I hope that you guys stay bearded and stay positive.